Welcome to the show.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone welcome to our show
I kind of regret it, but it tastes so good. It's just my mouth on fire.
วันนี้มาบ้านเพื่อนอีกแล้วนี่จัดเต็มจะส้มตำวันนี้ อันนี้ไม่ใช่น้ำผลไม้นะอันนี้เป็นน้ำปลาร้าจ้ะ fermented fish มะละกอสับเรียบร้อย มีหมูกรอบด้วยนี่หมูกรอบทำมาเมื่อเช้าทำเมื่อคืนอร่อยทำอีกตอนเช้าอีกรอบนึงเดี๋ยวอุ่นแล้วก็จะดูดีหน่อยสวัสดีค่ะวันนี้มาบ้านเพื่อนอีกแล้วนะคะมาตำส้มตำของมาเต็มเลย Hello everyone before watching our show today I would like to recommend everyone to go subscribe to my friend channel This is Annie channel. Please everyone go subscribe. Thank you.
Welcome to the show.
สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. Welcome to our show.
Our show?
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna make Thai papaya salad or called som tum.
Som Tum.
Yeah. Today we do Lao style. We have two style. Thai style and Lao style. Lao style we don't put the peanuts, but maybe
The peanut, yeah.
you want to do Lao or Thai?
Uh, the Thai with peanut.
Yeah, the Thai style is with
The Lao
peanut.
without peanut.
Yeah.
Okay. Why Tao don't like that? Tao. Laos?
Yeah, Lao style.
Laos don't like peanut?
It's style of the som tam. I don't know Lao like or not. Maybe they like.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna start. We're gonna show you how to do it.
Yeah.
And you guys can join us.
Please. Thumbs up.
Okay. Oh.
We're gonna start with the garlic first. Okay. And do you like chili?
Yes, I love chili.
This strong. You want soft or you want strong?
Strong.
Really? You seriously?
Yeah, I wanna try strong this time.
Okay.
Strong one.
Okay.
Thai, we choose Thai, so we have to try the strong one.
We do only one garlic because garlic have so strong smell. Okay. Mash it. Don't too loud. Baby sleeping.
That's okay.
Okay, and we gonna add this one chili. Oop. That's not good. Don't smash too much because more smash, more strong, more spice. And then we're gonna add this thing. Oop.
Yeah, that's alright.
Tomato.
Somebody woke up the baby.
Yeah.
So this is my first. I'm gonna show you how expert I am. Oh my God, this is not easy, huh?
Yeah, you don't have to do much, and then we go with this lamb.
I have to do like every tomato, need to squash it.
No need, up to you. Depend on you what you like. You can do like a make. You can do like this easily. If you want like a liquid, do like that. To make it
Oh, okay.
juicy.
So it goes.
Okay. Oh, baby.
Yeah, it's alright, it's fine. So there's
Yeah, if you want more juicy, you just do like that. If you don't mind, it's okay. Just add the ingredients.
what's next?
lime.
So we're gonna put the lime. Squeeze.
Yeah, squid.
All?
Yeah, all. Somebody put all whole of the lime. If you
It
taste
makes
it,
me like.
if you mix everything together and you taste it, you like, you need some more lime, more sour or salty or sweet.
And then we put the.
Syrup or sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, spoon there. Maybe 1 spoon about.
1 spoon only.
Put too much maybe difficult to taste.
Like that. Okay.
And fish sauce.
So we're gonna add up like a half spoon of tamarind paste.
Yeah. You can put more.
Just
yeah.
half.
Yeah. Can
But
put,
if you want extra sour, you can add more.
Yeah.
But this is like normal taste.
Yeah. And fish sauce.
Take and fish sauce. Then
That's the fermented fish.
we hide the logo.
We have two salty fish sauce and
Okay.
fermented.
So this is like
1 spoon about.
1 spoon because this one.
Tablespoon. Yeah, that one.
That's enough.
Yeah. If you like more, you can add more later. And fish sauce.
Somebody like my face now.
I can smell hungry already. And then how much of fish
Yeah,
sauce?
1 spoon.
1 spoon?
Yeah, and you mix it together and you taste what you need more. You need more sour, you need more salty or sweet. You can add some more.
You like me.
Yeah, I like this
You like me?
salad. When I was in Thailand, I would
Please
always buy this and eat
Yeah.
Ow.
On the street, just 50
Like
baht.
Oh, guys,
3 times a
like
day
me.
for 60 baht.
$2 Canadian.
$2. So you can have your like a meal
Like me.
for like $2 or $4, $6.
Yeah.
And $6 is already.
In Canada, one plate of that, one dish of that costs about $15 in restaurant. for one papaya salad.
Yeah, too expensive here.
จานประมาณ
Can
400
taste it?
Yeah, you can trace it. You forgot fun thing.
Mm.
How to
That's
chili.
no, cook it
Yeah.
just a little bit
This one not strong, but the fresh one
More?
more strong.
more.
Yeah, do what you like.
Oh,
You
God.
eat this one.
So she's saying, if I put too much, you eat it. You made it, you eat it.
Yeah, and you mix and you try.
Okay.
If you need some more sweet,
Oh my God, that's strong.
be careful before you touch the baby. Then you have to wash it.
Baby woman. Okay.
Okay, you
So
know.
next,
Now you try to taste the taste first how you like it. If you need some more sweet or you need some more sour.
this is challenging now. I can smell it. I think I might regret this extra spicy.
It's okay now, or you need some.
Strong, but I like it.
Yeah, if you like, it's okay. Whatever you like, add some of this. If you like, you can eat it all. You add it all.
So this is like a green papaya.
Yeah.
So yeah, she shredded it to like small pieces here. So yeah, shredded papaya, green papaya. So whatever papaya in your backyard, grab it. As long as it's green,
Yeah.
and then put it, dump
Yeah.
it all.
Yeah, you can put it all. You have more, have lot.
Oh God, it looks so good.
For colorful, a little bit of carrot.
And shredded carrots for color.
Color and good.
How do you just flush the toilet?
Oh, flush the toilet.
You don't know how to do.
Okay. So now we put the shredded papaya and shredded carrots. So we're gonna go on to the next step. What's the next step now?
I'm gonna get
You just make it together.
I'll just stir it.
Yeah. Make it with a spoon. Spoon.
Bayo pa more.
One hand spoon, one hand with this thing. I don't know what they call this thing. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do like a professional.
Pambayo.
Yeah. Do like yeah. They do like that.
Ba to sa English? Pa-comment nga kung ano to sa English. Mag-google ako mamaya. I'll use Google later.
And the Philippine people come to my channel, or?
Because I
Yeah.
need to...
Since I post the one with your first clip. What we did.
I have to do that? No.
Yeah, just make it together.
Okay. Like that only?
Just make the taste the
Oh,
sauce.
okay.
And that's it.
Pisa-pisain.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, pisa-pisain lang daw. Huwag daw bayuhin. Kasi pag binayo...
Yeah, look nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and now we can put on
Sa
the plate.
pasado.
What's hands?
Good job.
You guys, you have to try this. It looks so good. And it's fun to make. I just need this bayuhan. This clay pots or
ครกกับสากเอ็นไทย
kup ko sa
ครกสาก
klok sap
ครกสากนี่วันสาก
klok sap o pangbayo o bayuhan. Bayuhan at pangbayo, klok sap.
Let me see ผลงานเป็นไงโอ้ look nice good
I put
job
the light. You want light? Yeah.
later we can put on a plate
Ready to roll out?
okay
Yeah. I just use this.
yeah you just use your spoon for easy เลย use your spoon
Here's nothing. What's your name?
Put the juice, no?
Liam.
We edit stickers.
oh but we have the different green sorry
Okay.
use your spoon easy
Yeah?
spoon or something bigger is okay
I don't think this one is okay.
spoon looks great.
Good. It looks good.
Well done. Bit too dry. Need some more salt.
Yeah?
But I taste a little bit. It's good. It tastes good.
Oh, good. Lemon.
Not strong enough for her taste. She took some more of the fermented fish.
Fish. No, it says apple.
Apple sauce.
Oh my God. So, kakainin natin na may partner ng baboy. Ano ba? Yan. Pork belly.
Yeah.
Or
Not so crispy today.
crispy pork.
Yeah.
Last night.
I will show you the crispy one.
Okay. Oh God. It's hitting me the...
Yeah.
My nose.
And add some more. Oh, I forgot
No,
this.
no, I like it. It's just, you know, when you it's spicy your nose.
เราจะทำของเรานะใส่กาลิกไปแล้วนะกาลิก already ใส่พริกต้องรีบตัดนะเม็ดเดียวพอแล้วเดี๋ยวใส่พริกแห้งด้วย อุ่นเลยนะใส่อย่างนี้เลย 5 ตัวเนอะเริ่มวันเฟิร์สนิดหน่อย
We're gonna put can't wait for that one. Can put the kitchen and then go down.
Looks so good have lot in it I never finish this thing always go in the bin
How long they last?
maybe 1 week
Okay, just fridge.
yeah I see somebody they can frozen it
Okay.
but I don't know how it's good
Tastes good, yeah.
maybe not maybe
Maybe
not
you can keep but not taste good.
maybe not crispy I want
Yeah.
the good thing have to be crispy
How many papaya you made in there?
just one
Oh, that's, how much a kilo there? In lucky, is that lucky?
TNT yeah
It's just the any papaya.
hmm?
I'm gonna try that in Philippines. I'm not talking. Yeah, the one.
colorful นะOkay, how you like it?
So now I'm trying. I'm eating this. I requested a Thai food. Now I think I kind of regret it, but it tastes so good. It's just my mouth on fire.
That one chili, yeah. The chili in Canada is too much hot than in Thailand. One of this, like a 10-20 in chili in Thailand.
Yeah, that looks like a Mexican maybe.
Maybe not Thai, but the package say Thailand, but not. I don't think so.
Maybe mix falang one.
Okay.
Yeah, Thai.